I've got a three-way stop. We're slowing into. Full stop, good and legal. And hesitation. I had to put a little bit of acceleration because it's upsetting everyone around us. That's disappointing. And we are going to get rear-ended by somebody going really fucking fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and yes, it's been a minute since we dived into the full self-driving content. I know you've been eagerly waiting, and I appreciate your patience. The reason for the gap? See, I don't get early special access to Tesla's full self-driving software releases, so we're on the same playing field as the wider Tesla community when it comes to updates. But here's the exciting news. We've got a significant update to explore together, version 12.3. And this isn't just any update, it's the first fleet-wide release that's fully leaning on the neural network. Elon himself has mentioned that the leap in improvements is so substantial, it could very well have been dubbed version 13 instead of just 12.3. And this speaks volumes about the advancements that we're about to witness. Now, I know we've been having a blast with the Cybertruck lately, and I'm thrilled you've enjoyed those adventures. And if you haven't checked them out, be sure to after this video. But today, we're shifting gears back to full self-driving, diving into what makes version 12.3 a game changer in the realm of autonomous driving. So buckle up. Here we are with 12.3 with our normal route, and I'll be honest, this is my first drive with this software, except for one false start, which you'll see at the end of this video. But here we go. Stay tuned, because there was somebody who really wanted to take a look at the Cybertruck that happened to be driving right in front of us. We'll show you that footage here in a little bit.
Now turn left onto South Hillhurst Road.
If I hadn't mentioned it, I am on an assertive profile with a relative overage of plus 6 miles per hour when appropriate. So we haven't chatted since the recall came out that made full self-driving safety features more robust. Pretty much prevents me from using my radio or anything on the screen at all while I'm driving. Normal car, you could reach over for a split second, change the radio, turn your volume up, what have you. For the most part, the camera up here is watching my eyes, and if I make any glance towards the screen whatsoever, it starts yelling at me. In full self-driving, you basically have zero freedom to do anything but look straight ahead, which kind of contradicts the point. It's not just an annoyance, it in fact
turn right onto Pioneer Street.
Requires the driver to make some compromises that put them in a vulnerable state, let's say.
Now turn right onto Pioneer Street.
See that? I happened to glance left for 1 second, and it got the warning light. Okay, I'm gonna hit accelerator because that was embarrassingly long at that light. Car behind us was wondering what was going on. So I do have my hand on the steering wheel. I'm giving it friction and pressure, letting it know that I'm still here. But notice all the blue warnings I'm getting already. That's pretty much from the camera tracking my eye, and if I am not straight forward, that kicks in. seems like the right thing to do, but realistically, in any other vehicle, you've got a split second where you can adjust things around you, and this latest feature actually makes it less safe, in my opinion. So driving's smooth. We are going below the speed limit. I'm wondering if that's more based on regular human behavior that is witnessed in this area or what, but I'm not sure we've actually hit the speed limit yet, which we're fully capable of handling. I looked at my speedometer.
Enter the roundabout and take
out
the
here to my
second
right,
exit.
and it saw my eyes glancing over there and started yelling at me. At some point, that's going to kick me out of the full self-driving program, so I can't even check my speedometer without getting a warning.
Now enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
Now, realistically, what do? Put sunglasses on. There's a few types of sunglasses. It claims that it can see through, see where your eyeballs are looking. I find that aviators with a mirror, it cannot see through those. So I tend to wear those so I have a inkling of freedom in my driving while using full self-driving, as I would in any other car. Awesome roundabout behavior.
In 500 feet, turn right onto South 47th Avenue.
All right, that was very good. Usually this will take us to the far end of the on-ramp. Right now we're racing a trucker. Hoping the car sees that and slows down. And that was fun. We took up every bit of that on-ramp. Probably scared that trucker. Would have either accelerated quite a bit earlier to get in front of him, or would have put on the brakes and cleanly got in behind him. We did neither. press the accelerator, but not through manipulation of my max speed. Yeah, this is really weird. Allowing for a relative +6. We're going 3 under. Faster unless I hit the accelerator. No one around. No indicators. So overall, 3-way, 4-way stops. Still very, very timid. Plan to hit the accelerator just to make it go every time. Speed changes way above on the freeway, way under on the side roads. Well, not, rarely gets up to speed, and when it does, it goes way over. That is a setting that's a beta feature. I'm gonna have to explore turning that off and going back to the ability to manipulate the speed I want to be going as a maximum speed manually. Said the line of drive and acceleration deceleration is smoother but premature. I'm not convinced. There we go, version 12.3, back to our normal route.
Now turn left onto South Hillhurst Road.
So this is my first time with this software. I drove to the starting point manually. I did not even sample this whatsoever. But coming to our right is a beautiful Cybertruck my lovely wife is driving. Wave. And we are gonna get rear-ended by somebody going really fast.